Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Combbind C20 and placing it on a stable surface. This reduces wobble and ensures consistent punching. Once done, set the margin depth dial to control hole placement because proper alignment prevents binding jams. Next, select the punch setting that matches your sheet count and load the paper stack straight into the feed tray. Make sure comb size is 0. 5 to 2 are ready, so you can begin punching immediately without swapping parts. You will punch in consistent batches to avoid uneven holes. Uneven stacks cause misfeeds. Once sheets are punched, mount the correct comb on the opener and spread it evenly. This distributes pages and prevents snagging. Now, feed the punched sheets onto the comb rings, aligning the spine edge as you go. Rotate the handle or operate the lever smoothly to close the comb. This secures pages uniformly. Make sure to test the first 3 pages for spacing and turnability before finishing the entire job. You finish by trimming excess comb and pressing the spine for a snug fit, because a tight binder looks professional and holds pages flat. Once done, flip through the book to confirm smooth turning. If pages catch, reopen the comb and reposition the stack carefully. If a jam occurs, reverse the opener to release tension, clear any debris from the punch die, and check the punch selector setting before attempting again. This troubleshooting step prevents repeated damage and keeps the machine reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.